Hello and welcome back to this list of videos, video tutorials for this teacher training course. If you have not signed for the course, please go to this website and do so. As you probably know, my name is Alvaro and I'm the course coordinator, and this video is about the TEFL portfolio and the evidences. So what's this TEFL portfolio? In the past, we were happy to gain experiences, gain certificates, gain courses, and putting them as items in our CV, our curriculum vitae, our resume. We believe that that is not good enough, because if a company is thinking of employing you, if a person would like to use your services, say as a teacher of a foreign language, that person needs not just to know your certificates, but mainly the skills and evidences that you have these skills. Skills like empathy, skills like listening skills, skills like being able to communicate slowly, patience, etc. We've talked about these skills in the previous video. We would like you to have these skills, and we would like you to have them listed in the reference. But your teaching portfolio is an opportunity for you to get these skills proved. So how does it work? If you click on this little dot here, you will go eventually to a page that looks like this one. Well, it's not going to be exactly like this one, because this is from a previous teacher that has finished this course. Well, it's about to finish. It's done more than the 180 hours, and next week we'll finish. So I'm just going to delete all the lines but one, and I'm going to leave that one for you to use as an example. Okay, so all that you have to do is, for each lesson, you write the date, you write the um, number of hours that you've done. Most of them would be 90-minute lessons, so that's 1.5. Um, how many students you had, and their age. You can write the names if you want, but it's not needed. The type of lesson, which will mainly be face-to-face or phone tuition. At the beginning, mainly will be face-to-face, later on more. The objectives that you have in mind when you were planning this lesson. The activities, we'll talk about how to list the activities later. And then later on, the feedback. The feedback would like you to divide it in 3 columns: green, yellow, red, like the traffic lights. Green would be for results to be repeated. And please do write more than just one. This is very, very simple, like the games were enjoyed. In a question mark, in yellow or orange, the activities that you feel that you would like to repeat, but I would like you to put more emphasis on how you would like them to change, or how you're going to try to change. And hopefully, later on, you might have the same group or a different group of students, and repeating and seeing how that changes, improve the lesson. And these are results to be avoided, things that you did, or something that you know that you just don't want to repeat because you don't think it's good. Like, for example, spending too long on maybe colors, I don't know. Over here is a new column that you might not see in other teachers, but we would like you to put a link to 1 or 2 evidences about your lesson, or more than likely to do with skills that you as a teacher showed, or your students improved because of that lesson. It might be a picture, it might be a video, it might be uh, a recording, voice recording, an MP4 file, and please put all of these evidences in a folder in your portfolio. Maybe you can just put it evidence. Remember that if you are videotaping or even taking a picture of your students, you need to ask us to check that we have permission from the students or the parents. Normally, if you're just taking a picture of the results, or they're showing the faces, it's easier. And then here, I want you to put other comments. As I said, you will see, you will have access. Will give you access to previous teachers, previous trainees' portfolios, and they will give you an example. But we are building on it. This is the version 3.0 of this course, and we would like you to have a more detailed portfolio, but you don't have to spend too long. This portfolio, if you have planned it well, pretty much is just listing here, which you might eventually do in just 5 minutes. At the beginning, it will take you a lot longer, but once you get used to it, if you're very, very efficient, you could do that in 5 minutes. I'll show you more about the activities when we get into the uh, resources, but if you click on this one, for example, you will see an activity plan that you will have a template for. Interesting that this activity plan was by an author that was not from that was not the original owner of this portfolio, and that's fine. You can use someone else's activities, uh, activities that you might edit. You might list yourself as a collaborator. Or might use, if you like, as it is, especially at the beginning, you might just use it as is, and then eventually later on do something else. Okay. In the activities, well, you plan the length of the activity. One lesson might have a set of different activities. I would like you to put something about what you are doing as a teacher in this column, but mainly I would like you to write what your students are doing during the lesson, during the activity, which is part of your lesson, mainly because this has to be student-centered. Again, you will have many examples of activities from other teachers. Um, this is from the 2.0, the second version of this course. As we improve the course, we also improving on the detail that we want to put there. So you have the advantage that you can use someone else's activities, someone else's examples, but we want you to improve. So we want you to be more detailed, especially on this box that is related to what the students are doing. Remember that you can just copy this and put like another page and as many as needed. We would like you to keep this page the same because you are the author of the activities that you plan, but we would like as part of this program these activities to be shared, not just with the other trainees, but in general with the public. And that's why we believe in activities created with Creative Commons. And obviously, we want to be able to use them within the school. Thank you for watching this video on the tefl portfolio and the evidences.